today we will continue chapter valuation of goodwill. There were three methods to calculate value of goodwill. First one, average profit method. Second one, super profit method. And third one, capitalization method. In previous lecture, we have already discussed average profit method. Today we will start super profit method. Super profit method. Now what is super profit? The excess of average profit over normal profit is called super profit. There are four steps which we follow to calculate super profit. Step 1, we will find out average capital employed. Now, what is capital employed? Capital employed means the money, the capital invested in the firm to carry on business. ऐसा पैसा जो पार्टनर्स ने इन्वेस्ट किया है बिजनेस में टू कैरी ऑन बिजनेस, बिजनेस को चलाने के लिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. नाउ हाउ टू कैलकुलेट एवरेज कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड? ओपनिंग कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड प्लस क्लोजिंग कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड upon में 2, so you will find out average capital employed. If capital employed is not given, how will you calculate? Asset approach. How will you calculate? Total assets minus outside liabilities. Total assets minus outside liabilities. Liabilities approach capital plus reserve minus fictitious asset, if any. Now what do you mean by fictitious asset? Those assets which have no realizable value, minus non-trading investment, mean that is non-operating activity, non-business activity, minus non-trading investment, minus goodwill already appears in the books. Now from this you can find out capital employed. Step 1, we will find out average capital employed. Step 2, in step 2, we will find out actual average profit. As we earlier calculated in average profit method, that is average profit. Step 3, we will find out normal profit. 3, normal profit. How will you calculate normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return, it is given in the question. Now what is normal rate of return? Normal rate of return means rate of return earned by the other firms in the similar industry, that is called normal rate of return. Step 4, we will find out super profit. Now we have calculate average profit, normal profit. How will you calculate super profit? Average profit minus normal profit. Then we will get super profit. Now how will you calculate the value of goodwill? Super profit into number of purchase, number of years purchase, that is also given. Then you will find out the goodwill. Now we take an example to understand it better. We have given 3 years, first, second, third. First year we have profit 18,000, 20,000, 22,000. Capital employed is given 60,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. Now we have to calculate super profit. Number of purchase is 3 years. Now first step we will calculate capital employed, that is already given. In second step we calculate average profit. For average profit 18,000 plus 20,000 plus 22,000, number of years is 3, is equal to 60,000 upon 3. Average profit is rupees 20,000. Now average profit is there 20,000. Third step we calculate normal profit. How to calculate normal profit? Capital employed into normal rate of return is given 10%. Normal rate of return. Capital employed is 60,000 into 10 by 100 is rupees 6,000. Now we have find out average profit, normal profit. Now we will calculate super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is there rupees 20,000. Normal profit is rupees 6,000. Super profit is there rupees 14,000. We have calculate super profit rupees 14,000. Now how will you calculate value of goodwill? Super profit into number of purchase year, that is 14,000 into 3, 42,000 is the value of goodwill. We have followed first step capital employed, second we will calculate average profit, third step we will calculate normal profit, then super profit is average profit minus normal profit, then super profit into number of purchases given, goodwill is there. This is all about super profit method. Now the third method is capitalization method. Capitalization method. Under this method there are two further methods. Capitalization by average profit method and capitalization by super profit method. Further divided, the capitalization has further two methods. First we will do by average profit method. There is more step are there which we follow to calculate capitalization by average profit method. In step 1 we will find out same actual average profit First method, we will calculate average profit. Step 2, we will find out capitalized value of the firm. Now, how will you calculate the capitalized value of the firm? Formula is there. Average profit into 100 upon में normal rate of return. Step 3, determine the value of net assets. Third step, we will find out net assets. How will you find out? Total assets, except goodwill, fictitious assets, and non-trade investment. Total assets minus outside liabilities. Then we have find net assets. Step 4, value of goodwill. Now how will you find the value of good? Step 2 minus step 3. Capitalization value of firm minus net assets is equal to value of goodwill. Now we take another example to solve it. Let's assume firm has a profit rupees 60,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. Assets are given rupees 7,20,000. Liabilities is given 2,40,000. Now we have calculated the value of goodwill by using capitalization method by average profit method. Step 1, we have calculated the average profit, that is already given rupees 60,000. Step 2, capitalization value of the firm. What will be the formula capitalization? Average profit into 100 upon में normal rate of return. It's rupees 6 lakh. Step 3, we have the find out net assets. Formula is assets minus liabilities. 7,20,000 minus 2,40,000 is 4,80,000. Net assets are there. Now step 4, value of goodwill. Capitalization value 6 lakh minus net assets. Value of goodwill is 1,20,000. We have followed 4 steps. First, average profit. Second, capitalization value of the firm. Third, net assets. Fourth, value of goodwill. Now we will take the last method. By super profit method. Under this, we follow step 1. Step 1, we will calculate capital employed. I have already told you how to calculate capital employed. Total assets minus outside liabilities. Step 2, we have find out normal profit. Normal profit is capital employed into normal rate of return. Step 3, we have find out the average profit. Step 4, we have find out the super profit. Earlier I was told to how to calculate super profit, average profit minus normal profit. Step 5, value of goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon में normal rate of return. These 5 steps which we follow to calculate value of goodwill by capitalization by super profit method. Step 1, we will find out capital employed. Step 2, normal profit. Step 3, average profit. Step 4, super profit, and then value of goodwill by using this formula. Why not we take an example? Assume average profit is given rupees 1,50,000. Total assets is given rupees 14 lakh. Liabilities is rupees 4 lakh. And normal rate of return is 10%. We will follow step. Step 1, we have to find out the value of capital employed. What is the formula? Assets, total assets minus outside liabilities. 14 lakh minus 4 lakh is rupees 10 lakh. First step, we find out capital employed. Step 2, we have to find out normal profit. What is the formula to calculate normal profit? Capital employed into normal rate of return is rupees 1 lakh. Normal profit is there 1 lakh. Step 3, we find out average profit, that is already given 1,50,000. Step 4, we find out the value of super profit. The formula is there, average profit minus normal profit. 1,50,000, normal profit we have calculate 1 lakh. So super profit is there rupees 50,000. Now step 5, value of goodwill. Formula is there, super profit into 100 upon में 10, so 5 lakh. 5 lakh value of goodwill. Now this is all about the valuation of goodwill by using 3 formulas: average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. Goodbye.